In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with HubSpot objects. Whether you're setting up HubSpot for the first time or looking to fine-tune your current setup, understanding how to use objects effectively is crucial. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First things first, let's head over to the HubSpot website. You'll want to use your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or another one, and navigate to the official HubSpot homepage. Once you've arrived at the site, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login screen where you'll need to choose how you want to sign in. For many of us, the easiest option will be to sign in with Google. So click on the Sign in with Google option. If you have multiple accounts linked to Google, you'll need to select the appropriate account that you want to use for HubSpot. Once you've successfully logged in and are at your HubSpot dashboard, the next step is to navigate to Settings. You can do this by clicking the gear icon, usually located at the top right portion of your screen. With the settings open, we want to find and click on the Object Library. This can often be found directly under the Settings menu. Now that we are in the Object Library, you should look for the option that says Open Data Model Builder. Clicking this will open up the space where we will create our custom objects. On the left panel, there's an option called Create a Custom Object. Clicking this will allow us to initiate the creation of a new object that fits our specific needs. Here you'll start by typing in the object name. This is the singular term for your object, so think about what you want this to be called when referencing a single item. Next, type in the object name in plural form, which is how it will be referred to when you're dealing with multiple objects at once. Now, with the singular and plural names set up, you'll need to assign the primary display property. This is an important step as it determines which property will be used to display each object. Choose carefully based on what will make the most sense for identification and visibility in your workflows. Finally, review all your entries to ensure they're accurate and reflect your business needs. Once you're satisfied, click on the Create button. This action finalizes the process, and your custom object should now be part of your HubSpot environment. And there you have it, creating and modifying HubSpot objects with ease. Harnessing the power of custom objects can streamline your processes and maximize your efficiency within HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.